Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Temecula local and long-distance movers near me. Our professional moving company, 3 Movers, has been established for more than 2 decades, and we continue to service all of the moving needs of many happy customers. From packing to unpacking, you can count on us for the entire moving process. Always on time, our movers will make sure you're settled into your new home or office space right on schedule. The excellent services we provide come at an affordable price, and we offer free quotes so customers have nothing to worry about. A long-distance move is a lot to handle on your own. Our company will pack your belongings for you in our truck and make sure they arrive safely with our protective packaging designed to be secure for the road. If it's a local move, then instead of wasting a few days driving and moving your belongings, let us pack and move them for you. Within a few hours, you'll be unpacked in your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Temecula moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.